Hello cousins, do you call these papas rellenas or rellenos de papa? Either way, I love these things. Let me show you how I made them. I'm using 7 medium-sized russet potatoes that I peeled and cut into 3. I'm going to add them to my large pot of water that I added 3 tablespoons of salt to, and I'm going to let them boil for 20 minutes. While my potatoes were going, I made my easy ground beef filling that I have the recipe for in my Reels section. When my potatoes were done, I drained them and I let them cool for 20 minutes. This part's very important. In the now clean and dry pot, I added 1 inch of cooking oil and let it heat through on medium-high heat while I formed my rellenos. I mashed the potatoes. I should have used a hand mixer. And I started by adding in 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. In Spanish, it's maicena. And using clean hands, I kneaded the potatoes. I was looking for a firm consistency that wouldn't stay sticky on my hands. I ended up adding 2 more tablespoons of cornstarch to reach the consistency that I was looking for. Then I added 1 Sazon packet for color. That's optional. I don't know who I was trying to impress by using a fork this day, but clean hands always work best. Once my potato dough was complete, it was time to form the rellenos. The size you make your rellenos is completely up to you. I've had softball sized ones at the cuchifrito spots, and I've had meatball sized ones at the baby showers. I added a tablespoon of filling to the center of my patty and sealed the sides, then formed the ball. By this point, my oil was super hot, so I lowered the flame just a little bit and I added my rellenos in one by one, 3 minutes per side. Look at this beauty. Wow. I set them on a paper towel to drain and cool, and we devoured them in no time. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, cousin.